Hello. How's everybody this Sunday afternoon? We're going to do what I promised. We're going to get into some fall Thanksgiving ribbon. And we're going to start off with some turkeys. I do have a lot of turkeys. And this one has 3 different turkeys on this pattern. And you've got in the background, you've got the stripes, and you've got brown. It's brown with white dots. You've got 3 different turkeys before the pattern starts to repeat itself, and the back of the ribbon is white. And this is a 7/8 inch ribbon. Now, you can find all these ribbons in my Etsy shop. Here's another one. We got Gobble Gobble. Gobble Gobble with the different pumpkins. Now, these pumpkins, this one has dots, and this one has chevrons. And you've got 2 different turkeys before the pattern repeats itself, and they're all dressed up for Thanksgiving. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern with a white background. Okay. Now, I have pumpkins that go with those that turkey ribbon I just showed you. And this is the circle pumpkin. Here's the chevron pumpkin. They added this pumpkin here with the dots. It's got white on the back. And this is a 7/8 inch ribbon. Very cute accent for that other ribbon. And I'm just, you know what, I'm just going to lay them all out so that you can see the different ones. And I have, what did I do with it? Oh, here it is, right in front of my face. Hello. Here is the chevron pattern that matches that pumpkin. Okay. Then we have the dots that match this pumpkin. Okay. And then here is, show you this ribbon. Put this back up here. We're kind of getting at the end of the screen there. And then we have the gobble ribbon. And these are all a 7/8, and they're all white on the back. And you will find them all in the shop. Okay, let me move these all out of the way. Okay, on we go. Alright, this is my second recording. I didn't have the recorder on when I did it earlier, so we're doing it over. Here we've got some more 7/8 inch turkeys. This one's got his cornucopia he's holding. This one's got 2 pumpkins with their cute little yellow feet, and they've got their little hats on, and they've got different colors, different colored squares on their background, white border, white on the back, and that is 7/8. Okay, this guy's cute. Now, when I designed this one, I wanted all the turkeys to be together, so that, and this is going to make a really cute hair bow or even a dog collar. And this is a 1 inch pattern. It's white on the background with his little googly eyes. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I made that so that it's nice and close together so you don't miss a thing. And then we've got some accent ribbon here. We've got the burnt orange, the dark brown, got some golds in there. And this is a 1 inch pattern, and it's white on the back. Now, if you're looking for something, like you're going to buy something, and it says that it's out of stock, just ask me anyway, because I don't know, Etsy's funny lately that it says that it's sold out, but it's not. So inquire, and I'll let you know. Okay. All right. Next pattern, we've got some chicks here that have got on their headbands with either a sunflower or what is that? Feathers, sunflower and feathers, and they're falling down from the sky, and the background is white. And this is a 1 inch pattern. Two little chicks. Or no, those are, you know what? Those are turkeys. I just noticed the gobble gobble. I just noticed that. Those are turkeys. They're dancing and having a good old time. Didn't even notice. All right, now we've got some unusual pumpkins. I just love this pattern with the pumpkins and the different colors, and like this one here. It's like the diamond pattern, and then you've got the dots, the different colored pumpkins, and the background on this is like a peach with white dots, and then the back of the ribbon is white, and this is a 1-inch pattern. Very cute for fall. How about some scarecrows? Get some scarecrows with some corn stalks, and we got stacked pumpkins. There's 3 different scarecrows in here. They've all got different hats on, their clothes, and the back is white, and there's a little crow up here. And this is a 1-inch pattern. That's kind of busy. I mean, it's nice and close for hair bows. I like patterns to be nice and close. All right, we got Minnie and Mickey. They're doing their Thanksgiving dinner, or they're just picked their harvest, whichever one you want. They got baskets stacked up with their fall harvest, and she's got her cornucopia over here. And then here they've got their turkey dinner that they're bringing to the table, all dressed up for Thanksgiving. And this is a 1-inch pattern. Now I've got a 5/8 inch with some fall leaves, and this is like a burnt orange and a cream, a darker cream colored with the brown background, white on the back, and this is a 5/8. And then we've got a cute accent. This is a cute accent ribbon. Lots of little extra things. There's acorns and fall leaves, maple leaves, chevron patterns. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different patterns before it starts to repeat itself. It's white on the background, and this is a 1-inch pattern. Some cute turkeys here. These guys are cute. There's 2 different ones, but it's very busy pattern with pumpkins and acorns, and you got stripes and lines in the background. This is a 1-inch pattern. They've got on their little pilgrim hats, and it's white on the background. Alright, got another turkey. This one here reminds me of the other one with the wiggly eyes or the googly eyes. And this one at the bottom says Happy Thanksgiving, and it's got different colored dots, crimson, orange, brown, green, and it's white on the back, and that's a 1-inch pattern. This is some pretty accent here. They look like flames, but I think they're just scrolls in the yellow, the orange, the burnt orange, the brown. This is a 1-inch pattern, and it's white on the background. Right? Okay, now I've got a bigger size of the maple leaves. This is a 1-inch with crimson, orange, and beige with a dark brown background. The back of the ribbon is white. Very pretty, isn't it? I love that crimson. Crimson's really great. That's 1-inch if I didn't say, just in case I didn't say. All right, Happy Turkey Day. We've got a turkey sitting in a pumpkin. And this is a 1-inch pattern. And the back of the ribbon is white. And I don't have much of this, and I don't believe I can get any more of it. So whatever you see in the shop, that's all I have. Now we've got some plaid. Orange, and it's a lighter orange. Lighter and a darker, and then the brown. And it's white on the back. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Alrighty. And let's see, last but not least, we have dots. Cute accent pattern. Orange. The pink is, well, you've got a light pink and you got a dark pink. And you got lime green with the white background, white on the back. This is a 7/8 inch pattern. Okay, y'all, thank you for being here today. And if you do me a favor and subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell, and you won't miss out on any other further videos. And next, as promised, I'm going to be doing a Halloween ribbon video. So enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next time.